Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to install the WpRentals theme. The WpRentals theme is a WordPress booking theme and it can be purchased from ThemeForest. In this video you will learn how you can install the WpRentals theme on your domain. I have here a domain where WordPress is installed. The first step that you will need to do is to download the theme from your buyer account on ThemeForest. I did that and I saved the theme locally on my device. I have downloaded the full theme pack. The first step is to unzip it. In the theme pack you will have the WpRentals zip. This is the actual theme that you will need to install in your site. You will have a zip for child theme and you will have other useful folders with demo elements. Once I have unzipped the theme pack, I can proceed with the theme install. I will go to Appearance Themes. I will click Add New, Upload Theme, choose File. I will select the WpRentals zip file from the theme pack and I will click Install Now. I will activate the theme. The next step is to install the theme included plugins. You can install them from this warning. Here you have all theme included plugins. I will select them all and install. The plugins are all installed. I will return to the plugin installer and I will activate all plugins. The theme included plugins are also installed and activated. A different way to install the theme included plugins is manually. You will find all plugins in the theme pack. I will open the theme pack and in plugins folder you will find the plugins and you can manually install them from plugins add new section. I will select dashboard. The next step that I need to take is to activate my theme using the ThemeForest license code. For that you will need to add here your email address, your ThemeForest username and your purchase code. I will add here my details to show how this works. I will add my email address, my ThemeForest username and my purchase code. I will tick the consent checkbox and I will press register license button. My license is successfully registered. Now I can start building my site. The final step that you can take is to install the child theme. The child theme will be useful if you plan to translate the theme or to add custom code changes. So I will go back to themes. I will click add new. I will click upload theme and I will choose the child theme from the theme pack that I previously unzipped. I will select WpRentals child zip file and I will click install now. I will activate the child theme and now you can start setting the WpRentals theme. You can import a demo or just go straight to adding your own content. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.